What's happening, guys? This is Bharat Nagpal for iGyan.in, and it's time for another unboxing. This time round is the Canon PowerShot SX260 HS camera, and you have a really nice zoom lens camera over here. It has a 20x zoom lens, and as you can see, you get a 4GB card inside the box. You also have a full HD video recording capability and intelligent image stabilization inside the body of the camera. Now this camera is available in a series of colors. We've got the black version right here. It's available for about 22,000 rupees in the market. It's a 12.1 megapixel sensor, and you have a 25 mm 20x zoom lens along with GPS inbuilt into the camera. So let's talk about the box contents. We have the software CD, getting started booklet, some promotional information about the new Digic processor and your service information over here. You also have the warranty card at the back. We have the battery pack and the memory card over here, the camera itself, the charger cable, the USB to mini USB sync cable, the charger itself, and the wrist strap. This is a 1000 mAh battery pack. It is rated for 230 images on a full charge. And we have inside the box a SanDisk Class 4 4GB card. But if you do want to shoot full HD video, we would recommend that you get a Class 10 card at least. So that's everything from the box. Let's quickly go ahead and take a look at the camera itself and look at some of the features of the interface. So on the front of the camera, you'll see a really nice zoom lens over here. It's a Canon zoom lens. It's a 20x image stabilization zoom lens, which goes from 4.5 to 90 millimeters and has a f-stop of 1:3.5 and 1:6.8 at the maximum zoom. You also have this really nice rubberized grip for holding the camera. And on the back over here, you have a 3-inch LCD display along with this really nice full control dial. It allows you to switch from modes. Very tactile dial over here. You also have a dedicated movie record button and a play preview button. For the images you've clicked and the videos you've recorded, you also have a jog dial which also has a 5-way D-pad inbuilt into it. Standard settings are macro focus mode, flash settings, the timer settings, exposure value compensation. You also have a function and set button in the center. You have a display button and a full menu button below that. On the right hand side, you have a lanyard connection point along with a rubberized door that hides the HDMI port and the micro USB data sync port, which will also allow you to put video out via composite cable available separately. On the bottom over here, you will see the battery compartment. So I'm going to pop in the 1000 mAh battery, and you also have a SD card compartment over here. So that's how it goes in. And you also have a standard tripod mount thread over here. Some legal information is also available on the bottom. On the top of the camera, you will see a pop-up flash which is located over here, which is an automatic pop-up flash. You have the speakerphone and the dual microphone over here. You have an indication that shows that this has GPS inbuilt. You have the power on and off switch along with the wide and telephoto zoom toggle and the camera shutter button. Powering on the camera, you'll be able to take a look at this nice 20x zoom lens. It's quite a large zoom lens when it's fully extended in its maximum 20x range. Let's quickly take a look at the interface. So you can switch between movie mode, discrete mode, turns off all the sounds and flash for discrete use. Then you have fisheye effect that is inbuilt into one of the modes. You can possibly switch between effects over here. So let's see. Yeah, so this is a filter mode, not a fisheye effect mode. So you get into the filter mode and then you can choose what filter you want to apply. So you have miniature effect. You have toy camera effect. You have soft focus. You have monochrome, super vivid, poster effect, color accent, and color swap. So with color accent, you can have selective color recording. And so for example, we're only recording on green right now, so it shows only the green of my so you have color selective color mode, which is what we are in right now. And you can select all those modes in the filter mode. We go into scene modes. Again, in scene modes, you can select what mode you're selecting. So you have portrait, smooth skin, smart shutter, high burst, high speed burst, and handheld night scene. So shoot night images without a tripod. You also have low light, underwater, snow, fireworks, switch assist helps you create panorama images, and you have switch assist on the opposite side. So there's something called movie digest, takes clip with each shot and makes a day summary. So this is something that will create a movie digest with a bunch of images. You also have easy shooting mode, so this has all the settings inbuilt into it, and you don't really need to do anything. So there is no settings that you can do with this, you just need to point and click. Again, auto mode is something similar. Live view control allows you to adjust the picture and create desired effects. So you can control the brightness, the color quality, and the type of color. And then you have programmed auto. You can select your white balance, your metering mode, your color, ISO settings, adjust the flash power. You also have drive mode. You can also select aspect ratio, recording pixel size, compression quality, and movie quality. You can record up to full HD videos with this. Then you have shutter speed priority, you have aperture priority, you have full manual, and then you can switch back into movie mode. Then you have movie in standard mode. You can choose what kind of movie you want, iframe movie, and a super slow motion movie is something that we'll demonstrate in one of our future videos. You can also set the recording size and the frame rate of your movie. So there you go guys, this is a quick unboxing and hands-on with the new Canon SX260HS camera. This is a point and shoot camera with full manual controls. It has a 20x Canon lens with full image stabilization, and it has a Digic 5 processor, GPS inbuilt for geotagging your image, and a really nice and robust construction. You do have a convenient rubber grip on the front to hold the camera with comfort. It's not a big camera, it's easily pocketable. It has a nice and long range zoom lens with image stabilization inbuilt. We will test out the video quality, image quality in several conditions, along with the image stabilization capability of this camera, and come back with a full review of the SX260HS. So if you have any questions or queries regarding this particular model, leave them in the comment section below or on Facebook, Twitter, Google+. For more unboxing videos, reviews, and tutorials, log on to igyan.in. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/igyan, youtube.com/igyan.tv. For igyan Networks, this has been Bharat Nagpal. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.